Good morning, guys. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning. Let's go. Let's see.
Morning po, Sir Pat.
Morning, Jeff. Kamusta ang ano, bro? Buhok.
Ganun pa rin, Sir Pat. Stress pa rin, right?
Nice, nice. Galing ah.
Bumili po ako ng purple shampoo para ma-maintain po.
Ganun ba? Meron akong ano red shampoo rin.
Sa akin po purple shampoo para ma-maintain po yung white.
Oh, ganun pa? Hindi
Opo,
ko alam yan. Nice.
magtanong lang po.
Astig yung buhok mo, bro. Para kasi kiluwa.
Di
Sana.
ba? Sir Pat. Pero stress lang.
Stress. Stress naman. Let's see if I can. Uh, to that. Let's go to Messenger. All right, we're just gonna wait for a few minutes, then we'll go ahead and maganda market ngayon this week. I don't know about you guys. Okay, send. Mm, na ano ako, hindi ako medyo nakatulog kasi sa ano, nag-stay up talaga ako sa pag news ni ano ni Trump, the Trump news. I think that happened sa Philippine time. I think it's around 4. I don't know if you guys caught the ano the drop sa mga ano um sa mga pairs, especially Euro JPY, USD, USD pairs. But all right, so we're getting people now more into YouTube. It's weird. Okay, okay, we got YouTube people here. Let's put it here. All right, let's wait 4 more minutes. 8:15. Then we'll go ahead and start. So let's see. See if we got here. Dun, dun. Oh, good morning, Che. Si Cheche nandito pala. Okay.
Pwede po magtanong,
Apa?
yung sa apprenticeship po, paano po siya nun? Sorry po, nasa jeep kasi ako.
No, you're fine. Apprenticeship. Uh, actually, I know
Opo.
it's gonna end the day. We're gonna stop getting today. So we just want everybody to, I know,
Mhm.
I want everybody to fill in. So now we actually have a lot of people getting in. So today is actually the last day. If you signed up, then you should be good, and the date should be on there.
Okay.
Okay.
How about the subscription fee? How
There's no,
much are we,
there's no. You're the
gonna need
apprenticeship is
for
free.
the apprenticeship?
The apprenticeship is free, po. Can you hear me? Narinig niyo
Sorry?
ba ako? I said the apprenticeship is free, po.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Oh, really?
Opo. So we're only
Okay.
doing this like every 2 months or 3 months because it really takes time to to check all the to check all the analysis. Maraming tao. So we're only doing this for
Mm-hmm.
like once every 3 months or 2 months because it's really time consuming for our part. So we just need to limit it.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right.
Oh,
Okay.
all
So
right.
yeah, so people are start piling up now, guys. So kamusta po kayo lahat? So I'd seen there's many people on YouTube and we have a few people on um what you call that on Facebook, but not really a lot of people on Zoom. Pero kamusta po yung mga trade niyo, guys? How are you guys doing? Kailan ba kayo?
Ako po, hindi pa ako
Coach
nagtitrade.
Volatinis. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Nicholas. Hindi ka pa nag-trade bago pa ba kayo dito? Are you new dito po?
Opo.
Oh, okay. Welcome, Paul. All right. Awesome. I didn't know. So, yeah, so we're just gonna do we do a weekly webinar. So this is free naman. So we do weekly webinar and we're
Mm-hmm.
doing this 9 a.m. on the Saturday sa Pilipinas. So if you're
Mm-hmm.
in US or Canada or Europe, Eastern Standard Time, it's actually
Mm-hmm.
8:16 p.m. dito. So yeah, wherever
Okay.
you guys at, so we're doing this like live webinar. Okay. So first
Mm-hmm.
things first. So the outlook from the yesterday. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff here. Okay. So the yesterday, guys. Anyway, question and answer. Meron bang question and answer dito, guys? I can see you guys from ano po. I can see you guys from the Facebook, the YouTube, and also the Zoom, of course. Yeah. Do you guys have any question regarding some anything? Wala ba? No question? All right. So if there's no question, guys, you can always unmute yourself and speak, or you can message. All right. So let's look at the trade, guys. Let's look at the trade on here. So this is the Euro JPY. So this is what I sent out on September 29th. So September 29th is actually Tuesday. So September 29th is on Tuesday. Then I send out for buy, right? Looking for a buy zone here. So I actually click bought now. Whenever I see green and red, I mean this is already I place a buy already. It's my stop loss on the very bottom, diba? So let's look at it. Euro JPY 1 hour. Okay. So if you guys haven't noticed, I've been doing live trading on Discord, and I think I did live stream on YouTube. I mean on Facebook also. I think I only did that twice. But anyway, let's go ahead and start. So I went for buy on the Euro GPY on 1 hour. So tingnan natin. So EUR/JPY in 1 hour. EUR/JPY. Saan ba yun? Right here. So EUR/JPY 1 hour. As you can see, the level actually hit, right? The level of the hit over here. This is would be our stop loss. I mean our take profit. So I went for ball here, bucket ball. So this is actually the continuation pattern, or if you want to be precise, this could be a flag, or this could be a ascending triangle. So you're in the resistance consolidation. You're in the consolidation zone. So that gives me a confirmation for me. I think that's gonna be a confirmation for buy because of this structure, and also you're in the resistance zone, and this is a continuation for bullish. So of course, right? Pero hindi ako makikita na anong retest dito, di ba? So if you want to find something like that, you can go to a lower time frame so you can find the retest of the structure, which we saw here, right? The retest. So really, guys, um, what I'm trying to say is use your top-down analysis. If I do send out in the higher time frame or even 1 hour, I consider it as high. So uh, in 1 hour time frame, I usually trade in 15 minutes. I go to my 15 minutes and look for that retest. I look for my breakout, then a retest. Look at that. Breakout, retest. So over and over again, right? So that's what happened on here. Then you already know what happened. Take profit right exact on the key level. So the key level, this level is over here, right? Let's go to 4 hours. This is the key level. Kasi, look at this, merong resistance dito, right? And also support. Resistance. And what do you think is going to happen here? Of course, support, right? So now, with that happen, I'll put my take profit dyan kasi this market might reverse when around it hits around here. So just like that, my take profit is around this level, and you can always write it naman, right? You don't need to stop because you don't need to stop because it just went it's not on the take profit on the green. The green is just giving you the idea for it to actually put your take profit there. You can, if it breaks out dito sa labas sa key level, you can definitely trail your stop loss naman. Kim Lewis. Lewis, okay. I only know how to trade and compute spreads, swaps, and other fees, pero di po ako marunong magbasa ng candlestick at indicator. All right, so we're gonna go over on that in a bit. All right, so now I'm just doing the the weekly outlook. Then I'll go ahead to answer your question. Okay, so yeah, so that's one trade for buy. You can find different entries naman dito in 15 minutes. You can definitely buy that. I mean, you can definitely uh, get some bought. You can buy all here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. The six buy, guys. Six buys, right? There's one, there's two, there's three, there's four, but I don't know if you can get that, but there's four, there's five, and there's six. And you already know this is a key level, so you're probably not gonna take this, or you could just take it with less than 1%, or just don't take it at all, because that level right there is the key level. So yeah, so you guys really know how to you guys can really compound your money by doing this over and over again. Okay, so let's go ahead on the next one right here. So this is the um Australia dollar New Zealand. So AN, okay, Aus dollar New Zealand. Okay, odd NZD. Odd NZD, where you at? All right, coach, ilang percent applicable ng chart patterns uh like one bullish pennant in previous chart? You're talking about this, right? Give me a second. Let me just drag this all the way down here, and let's go back to Euro JPY. Here. The percentage. So I don't see it as a percentage. Nicholas. I only see it as like testing the market. So you already know the market hits here. So that's, it hits multiple times na, di ba, sa resistance natin. So that means this resistance can still, can still get stronger, but at the same time, if the resistance or support, yung resistance natin dito or the support dito, if it's been tested multiple times, what do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna get weaker, and this right here is the deal breaker, the continuation pattern or the ascending triangle. So this can actually give you the confirmation that this market might potentially break out, but you're not gonna go buy right away just because you see this. So you're waiting for the breakout, then you can go to a lower time frame and you look for your retest, which is the 1 2 3 move. So which is right here, right? So it's not as percentage, but I say 50-50 if you want to be that way. I say 50-50 because you have a tested resistance. You also have this. So now we just wait and see. So wait for the breakout. I see. Chart pattern plus breakout. Indeed. Yes. Serbia before pababa. Ako sa amin. Charge ko lang. All right. All right, Luis. You can always unmute your mic, guys, if you guys wanted to say something. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's go to odd NZD. So I went for buy here in 1 hour. So I send this out on the Telegram. My key level is on here. This is my key level, and you would hit take profit, right? So now, guys, once you actually get on this trade, right here, once you guys get on this trade, you know, once the market is actually shoots all the way up, you can either break even or just move your stop loss. So you don't have to risk all these. You don't have to hold it, right? So you don't even need to close it. You don't even need to wag nyo i-guide tong yung green ko. This green is just telling you where is a safe side, where's the safe zone. I put it here kasi I don't want to touch key level nakin. Kasi if it touch on my key level, then most likely the key level is a zone. So if that's the case, if I wait to get onto the level, then hindi ako it's not realistic, right? We're trying to win here. We're not trying to based on luck, right? If you're the profit, just break even. Just break even over again. Pag mababreak to yung if na-break to yung key level natin, you also have trend line anyway. You also have trend line to guide you. San's the next one, right? So I already put a guideline there too sa trend line. See, I had two trend lines. So if it breaks out dito sa first trend line sa baba, nagre-retest. If you reach here, take profit. If you reach over here, that's definitely take profit because you already know that the market is a trend. So you would be fighting against the trend, which you don't want to do, diba? So you're fighting against a trend. So we just work work with a trend, okay? So once it breaks sa key level ko dito, guys, and you saw the double bottom, I mean the double top, and plus a downtrend. How many confirmation is that? That's two confirmation the market's going down, diba? Three confirmation. First, the key level. Second, the trend line. Third, the chart pattern, which is right here, which is the double top. And look at your divergence, right? That's multiple time. I mean, there's multiple, there's multiple confirmation for you to buy and sell. Just because you see a resistance and support doesn't mean you have to buy right away. You just have to add confirmation to confirmation, diba? So that's one way to save trading, guys. So if you guys been following this week, and I already know some people been following it because I've seen the screenshot you guys took and sent to me, and yeah, I've seen it. So yeah, good for you guys. So we all win, right? So let's go to this one. All right, let's go for this one. What is this? So the odd USD 1 week. So the odd USD 1 week, it broke on my trend line and also it's giving me that retest. So let's see what happened in odd one USD now. Odd USD, you already know the market would jump. So the key level, you can find your entry here in the lower level. I mean lower time frame. If it's not, you can go to 15 minutes also. Look how many trades you can get in here, guys. Come on. Look how many trades you can get in here. But anyway, let's go to 1 week. Tignan natin. See, the market shoot up, di ba? The market shoot up. It's only one candle, pero this is a weekly time frame. So let's go to daily time frame. Look, look at the daily time frame, guys. It shot up, right? The market shuts up, and yeah, all we gotta do is just find pips. See, there's one, two, three, four. There's four bullish candle you can get in for buy. You already know that where the market is direction, where is it heading, and you already know your key level if you go to the lower time frame, which is here. You guys know this, right? So let's go to 1 hour, right? Even more clear. Okay. Look, the key level here. This is the level. This is support. This is support. I mean resistance. Now it became a resistance, right? Look, this is cool. So you already know what's gonna happen when he gets onto this level, right? I think I put this on the ano rin. I actually put this as a sell rin in the later on, right? Nag-bounce pagdating sa key level. Respect EMA turn ba yan? 1 hour time frame in USD. Yes. This is 200 EMA. So I just literally see where the trend is going. I'll go buy, I'll go sell. So I'm a trend trader, guys. The way I trade po, I just don't trade one time. I trade two times, three times. So whenever I see, I know a good trend talaga it's forming, I go multiple times. I go multiple times. You guys seen the results, right? You guys seen my results, right? It's not just my account and also the FTMO challenge. I actually showed it to you guys on the live trade. You guys seen the result, how many entries I have, and they all blue, right? They're all profits because the way I do it, once I get profit, I break even. Once I get profit, I keep moving my stop loss over and over again. So I just keep moving my stop loss, moving my stop loss. So yeah, so that's why I actually done it. So respecting to Invayan in 1 hour time frame, your EST 1 hour time frame right here. So on this level, let me see if the overall trend. I don't call that a trend, but it's good day. Yeah, I believe this market is ano rin. I believe this market is still gonna go up, but for me, let me see. Coach, live trade recorded mo ba yun? Yeah, it's nandun sa ano po, Nicholas, nandun po sa Facebook natin. Sa Facebook is live, ano, nasa group natin. So it's there naman. You can definitely check it out. Yeah. And I actually live trades and I got some good trades, guys. I haven't lost yet in the live trade, which is cool, right? But this trend is still an uptrend, guys. For me, it's still an uptrend. Uh, I don't see anything yet, pero I'm not gonna go buy right away. I'm just waiting on the levels. I'm just waiting on the levels. Sana ko lalagay ng buy or sell. Kasi I cannot just buy right away kasi you're in an uptrend. Oh, I want to go buy kasi uptrend yan eh, di ba? No, I don't do that. Yeah. So let's move on. Let's getting right. Oh, this is the results. All right. What is this? Okay, JPY. I got on this too. JPY. Sana yun? Here. So JPY, I got on this level for buy, right? I got on this level for buy, right here. Let's go to 15 minutes so we can see the clear view for where I click the buy. I wish it showed me, but yeah, I got on this level for buy because you already know this market is, you know, it's a pullback. So this is the 1 2 3 move, guys. So your guys already know where I went for buy dito, right? Because the market broke the structure, right? If you're gonna go to a trend, don't have to be perfect, pero just go right here. So it's not, the market actually have the sana yung not weekly here, right here. So it broke the trend line and also it start consolidating, meaning the market is going sideways now. It broke the sideways. I entered on here on the candle where I see the reversal candlestick pattern, which is the hammer, right? So while now that I actually used that, I went for buy and it actually shot up. The rest with the also the rest with the other currency. So some of them are correlated, naman. So I just literally, buy and sell. On I hedge some of them, but if you guys don't want to do that, if you guys want to do just buy, so you can definitely just buy. Doesn't matter, right? So let's go ahead and make this faster, guys. See, I didn't even see that. Yeah, right here. See, you can definitely see, naman, if you guys are getting used to of seeing the trades, you can definitely see the whenever you guys buy the retest. Once the retest hits, you see a continuation pattern, which is the bullish candlestick flag. Then you can still continue for buy. So this is over and over again, guys. So right here, so the USD, odd USD for 1 hour. Sana ba yun? So this one I was looking at for ano, I was looking at it for a minute because I want to see if the market actually jump on this level, right? But I didn't trade anything. This is just for me to ano, tignan natin. This is a good trend. Uh, yeah, this is a good trade. If the market did bounce back because of these level, I'm not sure yet, but right now it's just forming the triangle, or I don't know what kind of form that is. So I'm just gonna wait, and also it's Friday, guys. So I didn't really care about it anymore. I'm gonna worry about that the next time I'm gonna trade. Okay, so that's that. I didn't go for buy here. So this is the Euro USD 4 hours. My idea was going for sell, and the market did go down. Let's see, once, twice. Actually, it went down twice. So the market did went down twice. So this is 4 hours. The market went down. It shuts down. Dito. Then it
Makalimit.
went.
Makahanga ka.
Then it went up. Right. Then it went back down again. So yeah, just like that, guys. If you guys see the ideas, I mean, you can definitely see some. I know you can definitely see some potential. All you gotta do is just work around it. If you see me sending dito, nagsisend ako dito ng ano for sell, because you already know why. It's a self-explanatory. You already know why I'm going for sell here, diba? Because this is my support. It went to my uptrend. I went up to ano test my support. Now it became a resistance. Now what's gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna shoot down, diba? So, but I'm not gonna go sell right away just because nakita ko to dito. Nakita ko here. I'm not gonna sell right away because it didn't give me the reversal candlestick pattern. It didn't give me any wick or rejection talaga. So it didn't, ano, it didn't. I didn't go for sell. Pero this is 4 hour time frame. So if the market did continue going down, you can definitely find entries sa lower time frame mo, right? If the market did went down dito, if you go to the lower time frame, right, which is over here, right? So the market did shut down. I see the candlestick reversal here. Just what I'm talking about, like pin bar or shooting star. But when you see something like this and you see a rejection here, also look what's gonna happen, right? It goes over and over again, right? It goes over and over again. If you want to put your fib here, you can definitely put your fib here. I don't know if it adds up, but I think we have a pretty good chance that it will. Okay. Yeah. So right here, 50, 62, and 50 around this level. I went for buy. I mean, I went for sell. I'm sorry. And the next here. all the way to here, right? It hits on these levels then on my 50, then just drop down, but this would be a long wait to be honest. I don't know. If you go on this trade, it's actually a wild drive, right? It's a wild ride. So yeah. What else? What else do we got? Just trying to hurry this up now, right here. So I went for another buy here. I was still holding my odd USD from my last time. I was still holding. I'm already making profit, and I entered another one. So you can definitely do something like this. You can definitely add up, just build your buy. You just overkill it, right? You're already making profit. Just secure your profit. So if you lost, you just lost the trade that you I know, you just lost the trade that you actually opened, right? So odd USD. Let's look at it. 15 minutes. So where we at? Odd USD. I think we're talking about this one. Yeah, we're talking about this one. So right here, odd USD. Looking for entry here. I bought my entry around here because I see rejection here. The candlesticks. I see a rejection. So I went for buy. I went for buy, right? Pero I did not use Fibonacci on here. If you notice, okay, it's not. It doesn't add up. I didn't use my Fibonacci. What I use is just clear. It's actually I just literally use. I know the candlestick. Tawag nun, the candlestick. But the think you can see in 30 minutes. What did I see here? I know this is a flag somehow, or bullish flag. Let's go to 30 minutes. I think I saw it in a 30 minutes. Yeah. So you can see naman that this pattern here that is actually a bullish pattern and also break your 200 EMA, and the same time you already have an open trade that you've been holding for a couple days now, right? So I went for buy here. My stop loss, I just literally move around here. I mean, you could do over and over again. You could enter it here sa baba, which I did. You could enter another one here. You could enter it here, which is here. I entered it from there again. And look, it gives me that profit, right? It gives me that good profit. So once that profit hits, all you gotta do is just move your stop loss. Why? Kasi my first, ano talaga, if you want to trade conservatively, your first stop loss is dito. If it passed over there sa ano mo, sa resistance mo, that means this might be another confirmation for buy kasi the uptrend is giving you the parang stairs pattern, di ba? So that gives me like, okay, if this market was gonna go for, if I'm gonna go for buy dito, then how I'm just gonna, why not? So if it doesn't breaks all the way here, disrespecting this level, then I can still, I can still go for buy, right? Because that adds up to confirmation now. What's a two confirmation, guys? Come on, you can do this, right? You can add up to confirmation kasi this is your first buy. It went up. Just move your stop loss. If it breaks here, it went down. He got your stop loss got hit somewhere around there. I don't know. Then went back down, right? Then what do you think is gonna happen? It's the same place that you guys took the trade for buy, and that's a doubled bottom. So you could definitely make some money here. Your second take profit is here. So with all that information, guys, I know yung first take profit here is the previous resistance. Then it broke here. Then you're looking for what? Another confirmation for it to go by. Pero I marked that for a reason because this is the key level on the higher time frame now. So I already know this market is gonna reverse. I'm trying to get away around this level. This is my max because this is the key levels, the level that the market's gonna reverse. So I'm just really gonna I just literally trail my stop loss, right? Coach, how you manage couple trades in of days? Just adjusting. Yes, I manage couple trades, Nicholas, in a daily. Because if I have daily time for if I have if I trade daily, I just move my stop loss to break even and leave it. That's it. Especially if the market actually shoots up, diba? So, for example, tignan natin dito. Over here. I went for buy dito, right? I went for buy here. I bought dito. Let me see. Just remove all these. I bought this level. I bought this level bucket because every single time it hits on this level, it have a rejection. It goes up. This is already what one. That's already one trade, diba? Can you see the 1, 2, 3 move? Right. That's one. It hits on this level. Take profit, right? Or you could move your stop loss if it did hit, right? Second, two. So what is that? So anong confirmation nakita nyo? What do you think that is, right? So that's another double bottom. That's another confirmation, guys. So with that said, if that's the case, if this is the level that I actually I know the markets keep reversing. So what do you think I'm gonna do? I'm moving my stop loss just right below it, right? So my stop loss was here. I break even around here. If it keeps going up, I just just keep holding it. And I see another what? I see the uh bullish candle rejection. And that's sorry, not honest rejection, but it's not pretty. But the flag, right? So all I gotta do is just keep moving my stop loss, just right underneath it. It already broke here, so just keep moving your stop loss. Then if it hits you, then you're out. But there was a key level here, that's why. Just adjusting double bottom plus 50 MA. Yes, you can use 50 MA also, but I only use 50 MA and 200 EMA to see the trend. That's all. I'm not using it as a confirmation. I guess you could say confirmation rin, di ba? Pero I'm only using it as a ano talaga, as a trend. Where is the trend is heading? Because I'm not gonna go sell if if it's up on top dito. I'm not gonna go buy if nandito sa baba. I mean, common sense. So if this was a case right here, if this trade was uh, a trade, where do you think you're gonna go? See, this is my 50 MA and this is my 200 EMA. Of course, I'm gonna go for sell. I'm not gonna go for buy. So I'm just looking at it as a trend, where the trend is actually, going, what direction the market's going. Then I'll get into my entry then, right? So how do you adjust SL para mag-hit yung retrace? So I move my SL on the first defense and second defense. I don't know if you guys have I taught this to you guys. So this is how I see the market, diba? So let's just say I got in the trade dito. I got in the trade here for buy. Let's go with I don't know. Violet, okay. I went for buy dito. All right. I went for buy here. And the market actually shoots up. The market actually shoots up, diba? So now with this with this uh with this um I with this information, the market did shoots up. Now if the market happened to go down, how many defense? I call it defense. There's many term out there, so I just call it defense because I don't know, I like it that way. Okay, so how many? The first defense that gonna hit, right? So this would be my first defense. This is the defense level one, where it's gonna hit and it's gonna hit, then goes up. Okay, the first defense. So the second defense that I have is here around this level, because this is where the majority keep rejecting. You see all those wicks. So this is the majority level that they keep rejecting. Because if you go to a lower time frame, this is actually a resistance, right? But if you go to a higher time frame, all you see is wicks. So this is the wicks, the rejection level if the market did go down. So you have your first defense, now your second defense. So what I want to do is to actually avoid that. First, I go in the middle. Dito sa first defense ko. Or you could put it here to secure. If you're gonna go to sleep, you could put it here sa baba. Just to ano, just for your second defense and third defense. Gets nyo ba? Gets nyo ba, guys? Yeah, I mean that's I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to be creative, but that's really how I know that's how really how I'm trying to explain it. So basically if I were gonna draw something dito guys, so right here, like that, right, then okay, right, okay. Now the market broke the level, 'di ba? Broke the level dito sa ano resistance ko. Then bumabalik, bumababa, 'di ba? Over here. So I call this like my first defense. This is my first time. This is gonna I'm gonna look at the market. How's the market's gonna look around this area? Kasi I see naman there is my two resistance, right? My two peak, right? So if the market did break, right, where do you think I'm gonna go next? It's around this level because this is gonna be all three together as my defense. So it's kind of like that. Parang ano, I'm using the previous high and where the level is actually actually um uh respective the market where it really respects where I see all the wicks, it respects the level, right? Because if you really want to look at the market right now, tignan natin dito sa here. So this level here, I see as what? I see you already see something like this, 'di ba? Mayroong resistance dito, naging support. Then this market is fighting its way up, right? That's how I see it. So if I see the market, if the market have multiple parang defense, like I said, for my defenses, then that's how I actually put my stop loss. I don't look at my stop loss like, okay, my stop loss has to be 30 pips, 50 pips stop loss, 40 pips stop. No, I don't look at that way kasi I look at it only I only look at it as where is the structure level respectively price. Where's the price really the market respects? Meaning where is the key levels, for example? Where's the key levels? For example, dito. Where is the key levels? I put my key level here. Bakit? Kasi yung key level natin dito, see, a major uh it has a major ano talaga conflict sa direction sa market, especially dito, especially over here, 'di ba? Because there's consolidation, it's ranging market here, so the market is actually thinking. So now the way I want you guys to understand is the way I think. Is it like uh uh ano talaga, is it like a precise level and key or a precise stop loss? I put my stop loss on the levels. Where is it gonna come up next? Or where is it gonna get affected or get what's the conflict if the market did go on as an uptrend? Let's just say if the market did drop all the way, let's just say I went by dito and you don't know what's gonna happen, right? So now where do you think where do you think I'm gonna put my take profit? Of course, around this level, right? Because this is my key level. So where do you think I put my stop loss? It's the same thing. So I just look at it at the opposite way. Where's my first level? Where's my key level on here, diba? So I just be looking at it like around this level, right? Because if that's parang it's the same thing. Key level sa paakyat and my key level sa paababa. So where's the next key level? It's around here. So where do you think I put my stop loss? I put my stop loss here in the middle, here or here, somewhere around here, diba? So that's just how I look at the market. So I don't really have the precise like pips calculation like the other traders. Cause I mean I've been doing this like this for a while now. So this is my I'm comfortable being using my strategy and the way I trade. So I've been using this for years now. So this is how I look at the market. I don't have a precise stop loss. Pero I always know if my stop loss is too far. Let's just say if I went for buy dito sa baba and my stop loss is all the way over here, di ba? My stop loss is all the way over here. and my take profit is here. I'm not gonna do that. That's a bad trade. You guys know if it's a good deal or not a good deal, right? Because come on, you're gonna get $5, but you have a chance of losing $10. I mean, what kind of trade is that? That's not a good deal, diba? Opo, yeah, pwede ka mag-adjust sa uh, pwede ka mag-adjust sa stop loss sa smartphone, pero you have to you have to you have to do it manually. You gotta do it manually. Yeah, you gotta do it manually, guys, kasi it has this thing where you need to talaga you need to do it. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna pull out my phone here, and I can show you guys talaga how I do it. Okay, because I feel like sorry. Okay, I feel like talaga you guys need to know kasi marami kasi nagtatanong and I drag no hindi po. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with my phone, okay? Okay. All right. Let me see. Where's my share screen? Can you guys hear me okay or no?
Okay, you guys can hear me now. All right. So the way I move my stop loss, right? So for Nicholas, so I went for buy her dito sa baba, di ba? The way I do it, I usually just use my crosshair and put where you want to put your stop loss. I want to put my stop loss dito. So this would be 105 2006, right? So I would put 105 2006 26, sorry. Then I just click modify. So there's not like you can hold and drag because it's not like a computer. So this is the only way I can show you.
All right. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Now let's go ahead and look my chat. Saan ba yung chat ko, guys? Give me 1 second. Anong ka? Kahit iPhone pwede. I see modify manually lang. Yeah. Kahit iPhone, you can do it. You can just click your crosshair or you can add your trend line then done. So you can add your horizontal yung horizontal line mo dyan rin or vertical ba. Then you can get the level, something like this. You got to do it manually. So you got either list or you just have to memorize it for a few minutes, then double check it if it's the right level because mistakes do happen. So that actually happened to me then. So yeah. So that's the only way I can show you guys. Okay. So we're almost over on the outlook quickly. So the last thing was the NFP. NFP wasn't really all that, guys, for me because you already know what happened. I stayed up all night. Uh, not all night, but I stayed up pretty late talaga sa market kahapon. So on the last London session kasi that time was they released a news, and the news was Trump got a coronavirus. So that really gives me that really gives effect on the market, that the market really just dropped out of nowhere, and we already expecting that. So we were like literally looking at it, then we got on the sell right on time, then we got on buy on the correction a little bit kasi hindi naman umaakyat talaga. So let's go to NZD JPY, right? So NZD JPY, guys, nandito sa here. So that is the 1 hour. I went for buy here. So you guys already know this is the what, this is the level that I need to watch out for, because this is the key level, guys. So this is what we talked about. This is the key level. So the key level with ano talaga. So let me just delete all this. So you guys already know where is my take profit. Just like I said, the first defense, second defense. That's how I look at it, diba? For me. So with that said, okay, I already know this market is gonna go up, waiting for uh just hit the I know hit the resistance, the previous resistance. That would be my take profit. Just a quick pips. Optional trade, risk only 1% or less, because it's hitting on the key level on a higher time frame. So same thing over here. I went for buy around dito. I went to buy around here. Once I hit the buy here, it shot up. It's just a quick trade, 34 pips. I twin traded, I got 60, 68, 69 pips. So around that level, I already know the market's consolidating. I'm not sure, I didn't move my stop loss yet, pero once I noticed na it have a hard time, it had a hard time breaking this resistance, which is here. I already know that the market is giving me trouble. So even though this is a 1 2 3 move, also I already know this market levels out. So meaning the market have a strong resistance there. So we know that the market's gonna drop. And also this is a key level. So I didn't really care about it, naman. So then after that, this is the Trump. It dropped. It literally dropped. Once it dropped, I actually sent out Ren for buy. I took a screenshot dito. So I actually went for buy dito. I took a screenshot. I went for buy, and then I just trailed my stop loss because I don't know, man, it's very I know it's very volatile. So the market is gonna move so fast, diba? So the market is gonna move so fast. So I need to take profit. I need to do that, diba? So now, as you can see, let's go to 15 minutes. Once it drop, okay, 1 hour first. That's not it. Euro GPY. I know it was a euro. Yeah, I see rejections here. I already know the market is gonna go up, right? So actually, I traded this one candle because the candle actually shot up, right? I was actually happy because look, the market candle shot up. All I did was move my stop loss. You could do that in the lower time frame. So this is how you trade on the news. So I'm gonna show you something new, okay? So you can either go to 1 minute or any minutes you guys want, right? So the way I do it, whenever I trade the news, I move my stop loss by candle, by candle, by candle. Get stopped out. I'm gone. That's it. Quick. You only quick. You can't have a long term, you can't have a long term trade in news, because news is only fueled by whatever happening right now. So it's only minutes. So once it move, I just keep moving my stop loss. I mean, I literally got some good pips. Like literally, I literally get some good pips. Like I have pretty good amount of pips on this because I literally have buy stop on the line, and I actually did this on the live trade too. So I did this on the live trade, and I did this on the copy trading rin. Pero it's not. I only did like two or one on buy on copy trading, 1 minute. Yeah, so 1 minute, 1 minute or the 5 minutes. Either one. So either one, guys. I mean, I don't know whoever done. I know whoever done trade on the news, But that's how I do it. I mean, you don't have to follow me, but that's how I do it. I actually got on the trade. I did this on live whenever this was happening. Then I actually, got in and got out. You guys are actually, some of you guys are on the Discord live, and you guys got on this trade then. So I know you guys got some few pips. So let's go ahead and go back. And I went for buy, and once I see this, I just fell asleep. I don't know. I couldn't wait. Okay, I was like 5 o'clock in the morning. I can't stay up that long, especially in the morning. Like, okay, so I literally have some buy stop and move my stop loss around this level. Actually, move my stop loss here, and I went by somewhere around here. So it was pretty, I know, and I'm still holding it now because I see a corrections naman. The only thing that I need to worry about is when it gets this level. That's the only thing I need to worry about, right? Because you already know once it gets that level, right? So yeah, you could definitely make some money on the news, but for me, news is just like, I know, you're trying to catch a chicken, right? You just have to keep running. So I don't want to be in that type of, I don't want that feeling in me. I don't want that type of uh that type of mentality where I can get rich quick by the news. Yeah, you can, pero it's like, it's, I don't know, for me it's not. I don't like to trade in news. Like, honestly, every NFP, I always try to tell you guys, stay away from the NFP, di ba? Especially sa mga bago dito, kasi NFP can definitely blow your account. I'm just gonna be honest. That's why whenever you see me live trade or trade live, I always have the forex calendar. And yeah, and you guys can, I know you guys, if you guys been following me enough, you guys know that I actually keep at this. I usually keep this on, on the screen, you know. So yes, on that time, there was a GBP, I believe GP in USD right here, the GBP. I was trading live, guys. I was trading live. So the GBP, there is a high impact, well, medium impact. Pero look at the difference, right? The actual and the news. So that means this the GBP is gonna have some movement, some weird candle, some this weird long candle out of nowhere, right? So this is why I don't trade the G whenever I see any dito, right? Because the orange, even though it's orange, I still consider it as high, especially if there's two of them. I consider it as red. So I just stay away from that. And that moment, I just stay away. Why are you trying to gamble, right? Even though the market is clean, the market structure is very perfect na, pero there's a news. I mean, you cannot defeat the news, guys. So yeah, so that's why I stay away from it. So yeah, that's basically it. And this is the levels that I was looking at. This is the levels that I know, the key levels that what I was talking on the webinar, sa the live trade. I was talking about I'm gonna go for sell here on the higher time frame because you already know why. Same thing, 1 2 3 move, right? So I just literally took a picture of what happened, right? And this is a 4 hour time frame, guys. This is 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. So you guys already know what that means. Go find your entry in the lower time frame. So easy peasy, easy money. All right. So now that we are done, guys. So do you guys have any question at all? So that was the weekly webinar. We've been busy. All right. It was a good trade. We got some good trades. You guys have any question? High purchase was temporarily affect lang sa price coach normalized din later. Yes. So the news can definitely hit your stop loss, no matter where you are. Pero meron kang 50-50%, to be honest. Meron kang 50-50%. So if you are already in trade, for example, if you're already on trade dito for buy, if you see a high impact news on this currency, just move it. Just move your stop loss. Just move your stop loss in the in a tight spot. So if the market did go down, then it will go down. But if the market did shoots up, all you gotta do is just, you know what? Thank you. Move up your stop loss. Same thing happened on the ano rin sa I've seen you guys happen on the the news for Trump, di ba? You're just the what right here. Look, where's the key level natin dito? Key levels over here. I already know. You guys I already send that to you guys. Right? Key level, right? Then double top. Well, I don't consider it's double top. It's not a line, but that's actually double top for the divergence. So that's the heading divergence for bearish. So and plus, look what happened from the news. So let's all combine it. Let's all combine it. So if you really want to trade with uh chart chart patterns, you know you're gonna take your entry when it hits the neckline, right? You guys know that. So you guys would have entered here, or if you guys want to take that little risk, the key level, this is my resistance, then I double top, I go for sell here, giving that is giving me that rejection or whatnot, for example, then I went for sell. Then on this level, then I went for sell. I mean, this is the news for Trump anyway. So yeah, news could be both ways. It could be 50-50 because the market's gonna shoot somewhere up and down. You just don't know where. Let's say, the market don't know where you're trading, right? So yeah, so the double top and the neck, the neckline, the double top, the double bottom, the head and shoulder pattern, it's always on the neckline. You always trade on around here. So that's what the book say, okay? But you can definitely, if you see rejection here and you see a key level, you can enter there too. So just it doesn't matter, right? Pero from what most people do, they trade on the neckline. Yes, they do. You trade it here for sell if it breaks dito, right? So you guys, yeah, you guys should, I'm pretty sure you guys, some of you guys know here, right? So I've seen you guys naman na you guys are actually doing your own research. We all have a life here naman. And I seen you guys yung stories nyo, and you guys did got some analysis na it's actually pretty good, and it's actually pretty good, and I'm glad. I'm glad you guys are on the team because that could actually help out other people too. So if you guys have any analysis, anything that can help out other people, go ahead and send sa grupo. So we're not naman, we're not here trying to talaga. We're still trying to help you guys out. Pero it's really good that if you guys joined in and we can all help each other out. That's the goal, right? So that's what I want. That's what that's what the group is. So yeah, now, so basically I got on this trade for buy because even though there's a high impact news, there's also a resist on the support level around here, diba? And also it's wicking out. Look at this. Look how many wicks is this. So meaning there's a wall, Jan. Merong wall that Jan, right? So there's a wall over there that it cannot get past. So if that's the wall, where do you think you're gonna go if you can't get in? Of course, the opposite side. So you went for buy. So I am still holding that trade. Some of my trades, I am still holding that. So if you guys want to, I know if you guys really want to know how to, I know how to get in the market with consistency, definitely, yo. This is where we actually get into, I know, get into the get into consistency. So we're gonna work on that, guys. It's not gonna be easy, but once you get it, you get it. All you gotta do, I mean, since if you're a conservative trader, all I'm waiting for is a good one or two good trends. That's it. One or two good trends that is actually not correlated. They're not correlating at each other. So that is very good. That is a very, very good trend. That can make the difference, make my week go where my money goes, right? Definitely, definitely that can make it happen, right? So show you guys something here. So I'm gonna show you guys show something how to actually open some trades. Okay, I'm gonna open some trades. So let's just say this is what This is what we trade for a buy dito, diba? We trade here for buy. You can't see that, but we can go to lower time frame. So we trade here for buy. I see a rejection. What do you think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go buy. Of course, I'm gonna go buy. So I'm gonna go buy on this level, and I see another one. So let's just say let's add it. Okay, let's add it. First, this was the bullish continuation pattern. It broke. Once the broke, it broke the it broke the continuation bullish pattern. Now, what do you think I'm gonna do? We're gonna go for buy, of course. First rejection. No, not sorry. First entry, second entry. So that is what 1, 2, 1, 2. We get in the trade, right? So that's 4, 5, 6. Okay, this level. I don't know if you want to do this, but you can do that there. 50. So you guys know what I'm doing, right? Using my Fibonacci 50 and 62 level, I went for buy. So 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 trades open. So this is what I do, guys. We got 8 trades open now. 8 trades open for buy. But 8, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and continue. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 open trades. We're before you actually take the trade, make sure, I repeat, make sure move your stop loss to break even or secure the profit. Okay, so if this is all the trades, if you were here in the baba, make sure you secure your profit. You entered here, make sure you secure your profit. You entered here, make sure you secure your profit. If it keeps going up, all you gotta do is move one stop loss. All of these down here have the same stop loss dito. Break even, secure profit. Break even, secure profit. Break even, secure profit. Over and over again, right? So that way, all these together adds up. What? How do you? What do you think your I know your results gonna look like? You guys know how your results gonna look like if you keep doing this. If you see a one good trend. I made a chart yesterday for gold with Fibo 50. It went down up. Yeah, nagbabounce. Yeah, I don't know about Nicholas. For honestly, for gold, if we went around the 79 level, that's actually institutional. But if you're talking about what happened in the uh the Trump, then that might affect on the news. But if it's in a level that's institutional level, and I don't normally touch gold, so I'm not sure about if that actually gonna help you out. But I can actually, I know if you want to be you're a VIP anyway. If you want to do one-on-one session, feel free to reach me out naman. Okay. So let's see here.
All right, guys. So what do you think gonna happen if you keep doing this? You guys know? You guys don't know? Okay. I'm gonna show you. So if you keep doing whatever that I just showed, you will have this some kind of result. You see the results? This is have different what you call that? You can just have this consistency, right? You can just have this consistency. You just keep doing whatever you're doing. This is the FTMO that I was trying to tell you guys about. So if you guys are interested on the FTMO, feel free to reach me out on that. Because this can potentially grow your income, right? Without using with your own money. Just stop the share.
Because the FTMO guys, I'm telling you, like, if when I first heard about it, to be honest, I was skeptical. I was not. I wasn't gonna go because that's too good to be true, diba? Who does that? Who would let their money borrow, right? Who's gonna let you do that, diba? So with the FTMO guys, you can definitely become faster and independent forex full-time forex trader. Because see, now you have all you gotta do is the skill. If you have the skill, you don't need to worry about the money, right? You don't need to worry about the money, maybe the fee to get in, but honestly, you don't need to worry about the whole bunch of money like 100 grand, right? Because I'm being honest, I'm being real with you right now, okay? If you have $1,000, I know it's a lot in Philippines, but is it really gonna be a lot to quit your job? Is it really gonna be a lot to actually become an independent trader? Is it really gonna be enough to actually, I know, to live off of it? Is it enough? I don't think it's enough. Okay, maybe if you have $2,000, is it enough for you to live happily without a job and become a full-time forex trader? I don't think so. I don't I don't think so. Especially if you live in America, like what is $2,000? That's a rent money, guys. My rent is 1,200 a month. Like that's not even gonna get me anywhere, right? So this is what I'm saying. If you have the FTMO guys on your side, and all you gotta do is just skill, just hang out with us for every single week, every single training, apprenticeship, take advantage of it. We train, keep growing and growing as a trader. And where do you think is gonna, if you keep doing this and doing a lot of, a lot of good work, diba? A lot of work on your side, where do you think is gonna happen within a year or two, right? Where do you think it's gonna go, diba? So all that knowledge gonna go somewhere, diba? So if that's gonna go somewhere, so this is a good time for you guys to actually realize that FDMO is on your side, guys. Like I'm not kidding you. I see a pretty good potential. I see pretty good potential that we can actually, I know we can actually help people now, like legitly, right? We can help people now legitly. All we gotta know is the skills. All we gotta know is know how to trade. Risk management. It's not gonna be easy, pero it's possible. A lot of people made it. A lot of people made it, right? So now I just wanted to, I just wanted to let you guys know that we are still, we are still going to that route. We are still training our members to become a FTMO, a trader, so that way they can have that good consistency, so that way you can see the level of um, the difference level of the full-time trader, because the full-time trader is not gonna get every single time 100 pips. It's not gonna get every single time 300 pips, no matter how good they are, unless they, trade in the weekly or daily. But no matter what, they're always gonna be pips after pips. But what they can do is this is what they can do. Whatever what we're doing, we buy here, we buy here, we buy here, we buy here. Pretty easy. We get in, we get out on the, on the uh previous previous resistance. They just move our stop loss, then just keep moving over the time. So once that happen in your $100 lot, $100 account, it's not gonna be a lot, diba? It's not gonna be much. Pero what about if you have 100 grand or 50,000 with the lot size of $1, one standard lot size, or three or to four or five standard lot size for this trade? What do you think is gonna happen on these little pips, right? What do you think is gonna happen here to here? 20 pips. What do you think gonna happen where the 20 pips gonna go, right? So let's just say if you have 50,000, you have two. Okay, you use two standard lot size, which is $2, right, for the lot size. So the $2 for $20, right? So the $2 standard lot size, that's actually not $2, guys. That is $20 per pip times 20 cents. I mean 20, 20 pips. Divided by 70% is yours. You get 280 right there. So that's just an average. So that way you guys can, you guys can actually see. I'm just giving you guys an example, but there was a pretty close average because it depends on your broker then, right? Profit on the next swing low. Yes, yes, Nicholas. Bayan coach for FTMO. That's actually the 50. Yeah, that's actually the 50 required per day. So there's no required per day, guys. So the FTMO, if you want to know about it, I'm gonna search it up. Okay. So I want to make this happen. Okay, because I really, really believe that this can help out a lot of people, especially if you guys are not doing anything in this pandemic. Might as well learn a skill, use that skill to sign up in the FTMO challenge, and use that as an income. Legitly, this will actually make you grow. Okay, I'm gonna go FTMO challenges, and I'm gonna images. Let's say I think I saw one here around here. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Okay, that was the ugly one. Give me a second. Okay, here it is. So here it is, guys. So if you wanna go for $10,000, you gotta have profit. Target profit is $1,000. Maximum daily loss is 500. Maximum loss is 1,000, and you have 30 days to prove yourself. You have 30 days to prove yourself that you can do it and you're actually a profitable trader. Because who would, in the right mind, would actually let you borrow this money without you knowing anything, diba? So same thing rin. The higher for me, the better. So it has its own price. This is in euro. So euro is actually higher. So within dollars, this is actually $170, I believe, somewhere close. So $170 per challenge, and you have 30 days to prove yourself. And and whenever you have your first withdrawal and you guys got in, they will refund it back to you. Okay. So for 100K, which is I'm gonna try this month, this coming up month, maybe beginning of the month. Yes, 10% in 30 days. Yeah. So yeah, basically 10%. Yeah, so I'm gonna try the this month, middle of the month, 100K. So basically, what I need to target is 10,000, right? Maximum loss 10,000. Also daily loss, maximum daily loss 5,000. Come on, guys. We talked about risk management. We talked about all the things that can cover this. Come on, guys. We got this. We can do this. I believe that this right here can potentially actually gonna draw some traders out here talaga. I believe talaga that we can actually do this by helping each other. And look, you guys have what? You guys have us. Come on, guys, ideas right here. This is the ideas. This is all the trades that we're taking. This is all the ideas. All you gotta do is just find your entry, and all you gotta do is join in the live trade, and we can trade together. This is it. Literally, like, how hard can it be? Like, this is like baby step for you guys. Like, I wish that I actually know this group when I first started trading, right? But I don't. I had to pay somebody to mentor me. So yeah, with this right here, with this potential, definitely can become a profitable forex trader. You guys can definitely become a full-time trader in a shortcut if you pass this level. Because you can be good in skills, you can be good in forex, but what's gonna be good all that if you don't have capital, right? So yeah. So if you guys want to save up, this is the time for you to save up on here. Don't use this as a capital. 250 a month. Come on. Stop playing small all the time. Stop playing safe. We've been playing safe in your whole life. That's why you went to school and go to college and get a job, right? So stop playing safe your whole life. Kasi this is a good opportunity sa inyo talaga. Kasi with this amount, yeah, it is a lot of good, it is pretty good amount of money sa Pilipinas. Pero what are you trading it for? You could have put 25,000. Trust me, this right here cannot give you the life that you're looking for or you're expected to become a forex trader. This right here cannot give you the $250, cannot give you abundance in your forex trading. Just trust me, you're not gonna quit your job the next 2 months because you had $250 in your account. Okay, you're not. Trust me. For 25 though, it's totally different story. Because you're 20 pip. How much is your 20 pip in a $25,000 and your $250? How much is the difference? Pretty huge. Huge difference. Especially if you go to 100K. Pretty huge difference. So hopefully you guys understand the what I'm trying to say here. But definitely guys, I actually wanted to, wanted to help out, on the people out here sa nag-join sa atin. And if you guys are really serious about trading, before you trade, learn how to trade first before you teach somebody, okay? Because what I've seen, to be honest, I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, because even me myself, I still have mentor in, right? I still have mentor in. So he's actually still guiding me, and he actually came up with, how to guide the group, how to bring people together. He actually mentored me on that on live itself. So yeah, so before you guys wanted to teach somebody, you gotta learn how to do it first, okay? Stop trying to preach all the time. Stop trying to keep, tell people how to trade when you actually are still learning yourself. It's like blind people leading blind. There's a lot of things that you can, there's a lot of things that you can still learn, but yet you're teaching, which is good. But if you're teaching them the wrong things and you find out it's wrong, then what's gonna happen to them, right? It's like it's a cycle, right? Paano po nag-loss ka ng 1K, capital 10K, terminate ko ba yung account, continue pa rin. So, the loss, guys, if you are lost for 10K, if your maximum you build it out, they actually give you actually you're out. I think you're out. Kasi once you uh did the maximum loss, you can re-enter again, but yeah, I think you have give you he gives you have some kind of discount. I think I don't know. I never never in that. I'm not in that stage yet. So yeah, so hopefully not. And yeah, they give you like a discount to get in again. Pero uh for me to I know to keep continue your account to keep continue your account. If you guys if 10,000, 25, 50, 100 man, it doesn't matter. If you guys gonna withdraw, don't withdraw all of it because why? Bakit po? Because if I have 50 grand or 100 grand or 10,000 na lang, okay? If I have 10,000 guys and I have profit of $5,000, okay, which is a pretty good month. I have $5,000 and the 70% of that is mine. So I have 3,500, right? I have 3,500. So I am not going to withdraw the 3,500 itself. I am just going to withdraw probably, okay, I'm just going to withdraw 1,500. 1,500 and 2,000 is still left in my FTMO. So with this loss, you have a maximum. This can cover you on your maximum loss. So instead of you losing 1,000 and you're done, you can lose as much as 3,000 now. So you can grow your size as a lot size. You can grow your lot size because you have 3,000 loss now because your 2,000 can cover your losses, right? So you can trade with luck. I mean, you can trade with confidence now because you still have room to lose and you're not gonna get kicked out. I know broker FTMO. They have their own broker. Nicholas, they have their own broker, and their broker is pretty good. Their spread is very low. I think the lowest I've seen so far. So their spread is very low. I think their yeah, it's very small talaga sa kanila. USD JPY spread ko lang is 5, USD Chief rank is 3, USD CAD is 12, USD odd USD is 6, GBP USD is 4, maliit lang talaga. Euro USD is 0 or 2. It keeps going back and forth. So yeah, yeah, guys, this is what I'm actually gonna talk about the next apprenticeship. So sa mga ano dito, mga advanced intermediate dito. So we're really gonna go at this. Okay, we're gonna go we're gonna go in as a group. Okay, so yeah, I'm actually gonna go in this month, and the rest with some of the admins rin, right? And also, if you guys, I know two people rin sa mga VIP members namin that they actually are interested rin, so they are gonna go and follow us. So yeah, this is all comes down on the skills. What have you learned so far within 4 months being with us? So yeah, which I've seen talaga growth ninyo, di ba? Then and you guys are not gonna lose any money naman, only the challenges. So if you're gonna lose, I mean, you're not gonna pay for it. So most people think your psychology level will actually give you that, will give you, ano talaga, confidence that you're gonna take the trade. Because your confidence is gonna be high. Because it's like trading your demo account with 100K, right? I'm pretty sure you guys, we all done it, right? We all done it, right? We all done it. So with that 100K, we kind of like trade it as demo, pero we gotta set some rules. We gotta set some rules. We're gonna have to do this. We gotta trade conservatively, but at the same time, we're gonna trade the right way. But instead of using zero point 0.1 lot size, 0.5 lot size, we're gonna be using $2 lot size, standard lot size. We're gonna use $3 standard lot size, as long it wouldn't give us, as long we're not over trading, as long 20 pips out. That's it. Say guys, 20 pips, 30 pips, you're gone. Then if you are, I know, break even, secure profit. That's it. Over and over again. If you see a good trend, just like this one, if you see a good trend, you already know what to do, right? So over and over again, break even, secure profit, break even, secure profit. Can you imagine if I use bigger lot size on this? Diba? All I need is one candle. So you guys will be set for the day. You guys are done. And you have like what? Three. How much do you guys make in a day compared to your compare it to the, for example, compare it to the compare it to your 10,000, let's be realistic, so $10,000 compared to your $10,000. How much you think you make a day on your job and a day with one standard lot size for 30 pips? Yeah, big difference, pretty huge, right? So let's I'm telling you guys, uh don't, stop playing safe all the time. Okay, because I know, because even me, I didn't even go for my bachelor's degree, because I just, I'm okay with associate, and right now tignan nyo, I'm not even using it. I'm not even using my degree, you know so it's kind of like waste of time. In the same time, if I knew forex way before, I would probably study forex for sure. But yeah, that's another subject. But my maximum number of trades per day, not to overtrade, uh maximum number per trade, yeah, there is actually, you gotta be minimum of 10. You gotta have a minimum of 10. It's up to you. But for me, I wouldn't do overtrade unless you have lower standard lots. You have lower lot size, Nicholas. Because if you have a higher standard lot size and you overtrade it, what happened if you're wrong? You would have just got out and done, diba? Right? So the key is trade conservatively, risk management, and also, just trade like you normally trade. Don't trade it just because it's not your money. Trade it, because this is your income, guys. We're talking about becoming full-time trader here. This is not a joke. Anong degree mo po, coach? Oh, I'm actually a physical therapy assistant, and I used to make, I should make 24 $25 an hour. Yeah, and I give that up the forex, as long you're positive or gaining, no limit of trades. As long you're positive or gaining, no, yeah, as long you're positive in trading, yeah, you're right. No limit. But they don't have no floating trades. So this is why, like I said, when you see a good trades, this is good. This is perfect for me on my strategy, because I trade in 15 minutes. and they don't have floating trades, guys. So your trades is not gonna be floating. Like, the next day it'll renew, just stopped out. So you get in, after you get in, you get out, then you get out, and then that's it. So this is only the bad side about this, because you can't hold trades. You can't hold trades, and you can't hold trends. So meaning within 24 hours, all your trades will be stopped out. You gotta close all your trades within 24 hours or the next session on the London session. You gotta, I mean, you gotta within 24. You can't hold your trades for days. No day trades. No positioner. Nothing like that. Yeah. So you get in, you get out. I mean, this is what we've been doing anyway, right? We get in and we get out. Like literally, that's all we did. We get in, we get out. That's why I trade 15 minutes, 5 minutes. You get in, you get out, the safest way. And also, whenever there's a high impact news, you cannot trade. They won't let you trade anyway. You cannot click the no the pair, because this they spot like, okay, there's a high impact news. We're not gonna let you trade that. There's a high impact news. So meaning there's no high impact news. So this is really really safe trade, especially if you know what you're doing, consistency. Yeah, you're gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be a life changer for somebody here. Honestly, this is gonna be a life changer, talaga. So compatible MT4, MT5 C trader. So if you guys don't have any question, you guys have any question, Nicholas? You guys have any questions sa mga bago dito? Facebook? You guys have any questions? No? No questions ba? All right. If there's no question, guys, and that would be it. We actually are live in an hour and 40 minutes. So it's almost 2 hours, guys. And hopefully you guys got something out of that. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys want to sign up and interested in the apprenticeship, feel free to sign up. Today is our last day and we are not taking any more. All right. So you're just gonna wait within what 2 to 3 weeks, then you guys can sign up again. But other than that, we can go ahead and close this trade, and I mean close this webinar. Salamat po sa time ninyo. And hopefully you guys have a great morning. And kape po muna kayo, gatas or juice ba, ano ba. And yeah, salamat po guys for tuning in. And hopefully you guys are safe. And yeah, God bless po. Salamat. Salamat guys. Thank you. Thank you. Your mentoring coach, how is it? Pa-schedule lang. Yeah, for mentoring, Nicholas, yes, just give me your schedule and I give you my schedule and we can both link up in our schedule. And I'll give you an option if you want it to be a group or one-on-one, since you're a VIP. So if you're a group, then everybody can join also. If you're one-on-one, then we can do one-on-one session as well. All right? Salamat po. Moonray, kamusta ka na? Thank you guys. Yeah, Nicholas, I'm gonna just message me on Facebook. Then you can definitely I can definitely put you in a spot. Okay, I'll find you a spot where to actually do one-on-one session with you. Okay. Salamat po. Thank you guys.